And welcome back to Market Wolf. I am the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. I just want to do a quick recap of Trias here, and I want to give you some key levels on this daily close. It is currently 6:03 p.m. Wednesday, March 6th. And oh, what a fun day today on X. Yes, that's right. I had somebody show up to slander me, right? I gave you a key level to watch just in case, because you know I'm watching out for your best interest, and oh boy, somebody was triggered. So I just want to show you, if you remember on this breakout, I was posting on X and I told you that it was not confirmed, right? That we needed to wait for confirmation. A lot of people got faked out there. And then when I told you this was going to roll over, some of you didn't believe me. And then you're like, oh, yeah, he was right. It rolled over. And what did I tell you today, this morning? First thing on X, I said, watch out. We likely have more downside. Here are your areas of support. Here's the key level you don't want to see break. Well, guess what? I was right. Big surprise, right? Now, I'm going to give you some more key levels and some more forecasting here, okay? It's possible we are beginning to put in a floor. Thankfully, we didn't close with just an extremely massive amount of exiting volume today. So, but what I am seeing on the 30-minute time frame and the hour time frame is a death cross. We do not want to see that death cross happen on the 2-hour time frame. Luckily, we still have a lot of room when it comes to that, but it's something we have to watch closely. Closing below this 20-day moving average today, not the best thing in the world. That high wick here, not the best thing in the world. But we are back-to-back ranging here, which is a good thing. I think that we're probably going to have some continued downside, but as long as we can find a bottom at these key levels, 1452, maybe around $14, oh, possibly around 13.39, we're going to be likely okay. If we were to floor all the way down to this orange dashed support line here, we want to see that support latch on there, and we want to get a gradual rise up and a move up to test the upside again. Likely what we're doing here, and you can't see it on this higher time frame on the daily, but if I were to take you to 2-hour, you would notice this looks like it's trying to put in a W reversal. And so that's what we're shooting for here, is a W reversal in the short term, because we do not want that to turn into a larger pattern that is an M topping reversal, which is actually much easier to see there. Okay, now key level you don't want to see broken, and I want to make this infinitely clear. Listen very carefully. Just like I told you, we could have this quick wick down right here days ago, okay, or yesterday rather. I told you that was a possibility, and that you would not want to see it close down there. Notice that it did not close down there for the day. It sucked back up because buyers stepped in. I think that we're likely to see buyers step back in around that wick again, even if we come all the way down to that orange dashed line. However, we have to watch very carefully. Now listen to my words. 1226. You may not like to hear this, but this is the truth. That is a key level, the last key level. We must hold 1226. Now listen carefully. You could have a wick down below 1226. You could have a deep wick down that might shake you out of a position or trigger a stop loss for a liquidity grab. However, it might get sucked back up, and then you might have a daily close above 1226. You don't want to see a daily close below 1226. Okay, so that's the key to keep in mind. Now, do we have another order block in play past that? Yes, we do. I mean, we could potentially head back down to that lower order block that's a little bit lower and not have a complete breakdown So 951 is an area of support, and we actually have a lot of support above that as well. So keep that in mind, okay? But we have to be realistic. We have to pay attention. If you're following me, great, wonderful. I don't tell you where to buy. I don't tell you where to sell. I don't tell you where to average down. I'm the market wolf. I give you the best bear case, I give you the best bull case, and I give you my opinion, okay? And you can choose to follow any of those cases, and you can choose what's best for you. I am not a financial advisor. So that said, your best bull case is that we get support right here on this dashed green line where we see price right now holding, which is a good thing, and we work our way up that green support line, and we get back on top of that purple dashed line, which is the larger symmetrical triangle, and we try to push out for another breakout. That's what you're looking for on your best bull case, and that would go W reversal, right? So the only question right now is this turn into like a W reversal with kind of a lower part of the W on the right side, or is it going to be a little bit higher or medium? We don't know. We're not sure where the floor is yet, but it looks like we might be building a floor. My last concern on the bear case, and it's something we must pay attention to, that we have seen now a piercing of the moving average on the daily to the downside. Price has pierced the moving average pretty heavily. So that could signal a further breakdown, right? So that's why I'm saying pay attention to those lower levels, even though we seem to be slowing with our outflows of volume. Just watch and pay attention. That's your best bear case. That's your best bull case. I am the market wolf. I was right today. I'll be right tomorrow. We'll see you next time.